Hey guys, welcome to today. I got this new Ferrari. Let me read the name for SF90. I don't know, but still, we got this new Ferrari SF90 Stradale or something. But still, pretty cool Maisto. So yeah, here it is. Let's take a look at the side, the back. So yeah, there it is. On both sides, it's just the same thing. So yeah, here is the car. So yeah, take a look at it, and now we're gonna open it. I have trouble opening these cars. I literally have no idea how to open these things. Oh. Like, oh. Ah! I got it. Ooh. Okay. Let's pop it open. There it is. Come out. It's like it's stuck. Hold up. There it is. We got the box. Put it over here. Here is the Ferrari. So let's cut these. This is like. Remove that. Then after, let's remove these stickers. Almost got it. Come on. Oh yeah, that is nice. Time to do the back. So yeah, is there like, I know that's all. So right guys, here is the Ferrari. Let's remove this. Little stickers on the ground. So here is the Ferrari. Let's dust it off a little bit. But yeah, here it is, beautiful red color. Look at that. It looks so futuristic. So let's take a look at this. Open the hood. There we go. It has no engine here because it's the trunk. Pretty small trunk. Like, look at that. Pretty cool Ferrari logo on the front. You got little like breathers on the side. There we go. It also has another breather here. That is pretty cool. Has a Ferrari logo on both sides of the car. Pretty cool. And also has a little mirror here too. The wheels are pretty nice too. Has a Ferrari logo on it. It also has a little thing for like radio signals. Then has the Ferrari logo written out on here. After, let's pop open the hood. This looks really nice. Hold up. Oh, what is that? What the heck? Hold on, I need some sort of like a napkin. I need to wipe this. There's something on here. What is that? I don't know. Okay, now let's open the hood. Free. Oh, how do you open the hood? Oh, it's here. Whoa. Look at that. What in the heck? Look at the engine. The carbon fiber on it. Look at the beautiful Ferrari logo on there. Look at that. That is nice. I don't know why, guys. Zamir, this car kind of looks like the Lycan Hypersport. Like, it kind of looks like it. Like, yeah. Just open up the doors. And also, guys, my favorite part of the video. Let's open up the doors. Oh, it's just got regular doors. Now, you have to, let's take a look at the other side. Take a look at the inside. Pretty cool. Now, let's do it. This is the one thing I love about these cars. The steering wheel. Oh. Ooh. Oh, you know, I got scared for a second. You know why? What happened? So look at the steering wheel. Because, you know, I was moving it, and look, this happened. But, you know, I thought this thing broke. Because, like, when you push it down, it, like, looks like because, you know what happened? I pushed down the steering wheel, and I heard a click, right? I got scared. After I pushed it back up, it just clicked back. So that's kind of cool. So look at that, guys. Oh, look at that. That is just amazing. So one thing I love about these Maisto cars. It also has, it has some breathers here too. Pretty cool breathers on the car. Has some, also has a little bit on the back here too. Here's the back of the car. It has like the name of the car in the back. 2 mufflers here, which is pretty nice. The back bumper of the car, pretty small headlights, but still pretty cool car. So yeah, there it is. One second. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it that. There is the Ferrari Stradale. Pretty cool car. So yeah, there it is. Beautiful. Let's do a little quick. How do I open this? Okay, let's open everything. Yeah. Let's take a look. Boom. There we go. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101, in the link in the description, or it might pop up here. So yeah, have a good day. Bye.